Good afternoon. This is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to make just a cool cookie delight. Quick, easy, and I think you'll enjoy it. What I'm going to use just some chocolate chip cookies, 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. We're going to use instant Jell-O pudding pie filling. Of course, that calls for milk. And we're going to use Cool Whip. And the first thing I have to do is I have to mash up 3/4 cup of my cookies. And I want to show you one of the neatest ways to do this. Let's just do a few at a time. Seal up bag. Take an old-fashioned rolling pin. And all you've got to do is crush them out, roll them out. Anytime anything calls for anything like crumbs in the bottom of a pan, now you can put these in a blender or something, but I have found out that this is just as easy and it makes a lot less mess. Sort of stir them up. I need to put them on a cutting board right quick so they don't slide around on me, but since I've already got this out, I'll make do with this today. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. And you need 3/4 cup. I've actually got a little bit over 3/4 cup, but that's okay. That's what we'll use. And what you need is you need 3 tablespoons full of butter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are half sticks. So I'm just going to cut it on 3. We're going to put it in the microwave and just zap it real quick. I have my 3/4 cup of crushed cookies. Chocolate chip cookie, 3 tablespoons full of butter. Mix it together. You can use a square pan. I happen to have just a round dish. Get it as even as you can. Of course you won't, as good as you can get. Put it in the oven. Well, I think I messed up that spot. Let me make sure your bottom is covered. Put it in the oven and bake it for 7 minutes at 375. I am using my Ninja. I have cut it on. I've got it on bake. 375. And right now it's preheating. So I did put a little bit more time on it, but I'll drop that back just as soon as it tells me that it is preheated. And I'm going to put it in the oven and we're going to cook it for 7 minutes. Okay, my oven has just told me that it is preheated at 375. We've got it set at 7 minutes. We had it set at 7 minutes. And when it beeps, we will take it out. And then we want it to cool completely. And then we're going to mix up our instant pudding with the milk and the Cool Whip. And it's going to thicken. And when it gets thick a little bit, we're going to fold, after the pudding gets thick a little bit, we're going to fold in the Cool Whip and just put it on top of the cookies. Set it in the refrigerator and let it cool a little bit. And we're going to be ready to eat. Simple, quick, very delightful, cool dessert. Especially good if someone guests coming over and you wasn't expecting them. Okay, this has been cooling for 30 minutes and it's cool. So what I'm going to do is fix the topping. It calls for a box of instant pudding, and would you believe the only thing I have that's instant pudding was banana cream. So guess what? We are going to use banana cream. And the direction says 2 cups of cold milk. It's getting a little bit thicker. The direction says that it will thicken to soft set within 2 minutes, so we will just stir this for just a few seconds. Okay, I have fixed the instant pudding according to directions. 2 cups of cold milk, whisk for approximately 2 minutes, and it will begin to thicken up, which it has. A cup of Cool Whip, and one of these 8-ounce is just right. So we'll put the Cool Whip in here. Now it got to 100 degrees here yesterday, so this would have been good yesterday. Calling for rain today, but none yet, so we shall see. So now let's blend all this together. One thing about using banana cream, it has a little color to it, and I think I've got it all blended in. So we're going to take our mashed up cookies, and it's really cool, and we're just going to pour this over the top. And I have a few semi-sweet morsels of chocolate that I'm just going to sprinkle on top. Just a little decoration. There. We now have cool cookie banana flavor delight. And I'm going to set it in the refrigerator just for a little bit and let it set up really firm. Okay, it has been chilling for about 10 minutes, so we're going to see what we've got. But it sure did make a pretty dish. So let's just see. It needs to chill just a little bit more and get a little bit firmer, but it definitely, the bottom is very crunchy. The banana cream with the chocolate is chip cookies is very good. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please try this. Give me your comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and we will come back again. I think when it chills just a little bit more, and the bottom of it, you can see where the cookie dough, the cookies are at. Very good. Okay, that's my little video for today. Have a fantastic day.